Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago, but this is not analog age. This is a digital camera. Beauty salons work. I got pretty interesting shooting this time. Well, this is my subject, and also I have this pencil drawing type image. Well, not much pencil drawing type though. Only her face around here, like this lighting from this little window inside the room, lighten up her face. Well, I have two images to make something interesting, hopefully something impressive image I want to make. I try to make. Well, let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna turn this pencil drawing type image off, and I'm gonna duplicate this base image. I think I used 4x5 camera for this, even though digital back I used, because only out of focus around here. Just selective focus. Well, I'm gonna smudge this image first. Okay, use evolve to use smudging. Let's see about this details here. This is beauty salons inside. They got the real creative room interiors. That was fun shooting. I know you don't see these details because of the exposure, but I show you. If I change the layer mode, blend mode, it'll show up some on this background. That's interesting thing. One thing about play around with blend mode. Well, now I'm gonna smudge this model. Go a little smaller size. Okay, then for smudging, now I'm gonna check. Well, let's see. Change blend mode. This pencil drawing type image. Okay, go from darken, color burn, linear burn. Let's see, overlay. Now we are looking at shadow side. We do have the details. Let's see others too. Well, soft light. We still see that details on the shadow side. It's lighten up. Okay, now I'm gonna change to, well, let's see, overlay and what's our more soft light. Change this pencil drawing type image blend mode, change to soft light. Then I'm gonna smudge on this layer. I couldn't smudge this area because I didn't see. So now I can see the detail, even though it's out of focus, so I don't know if it does matter or not. But let's get texture anyways. Some. Okay, I guess I got all smudged. Yeah, that's about it. Now I want to change this. Let's see which overlay is fine though. Nice expressions. More lighting effect, amber colors. There is a mood to it. Well, let's see. Okay, for the much dark too, but let's see about this. Look at this color. That's pretty cool. Well, I want to keep this. Let's see. Okay, I am gonna get this image fixed. Okay, make group, then duplicate this group. Now flatten this image. So we got this image fixed. Now I'm gonna turn it off. Then I'm gonna see this blend mode. Yeah, still like overlay. Get a little more details on shadow side, so we know what we are looking at. This is too much, huh? 77. Well, it's about 60. Okay, 50 is fine too, but just leave it this, and then overlay is fine. Now you gotta see the other effect, like linear light. This one's pretty interesting too. What I like about is this illustration image, pin light. Which one should I use? Pin light, linear light. Luminosity. Yeah, luminosity is good too. Okay, why don't I make this luminosity also? Well, 50%. Okay, this is the group. I'm gonna make duplicate, then flatten this image again. Now we got this, but this is a little light, so I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then one up the top, change this blend mode to multiply. Then I'm gonna merge down. Now we got this a little bit dark colors, and also I got this nice light effect, colored light. So let's see about, well, I'm gonna turn it off, this group, and let me see about two of them. Change this to darker color. This is pretty interesting. Okay, well, let's see. I think this is pretty interesting. Vivid light on this layer. This is, yeah. This was lighting effect. But now I got overlay, no, vivid light and luminosity. Okay, then turn this one off. Now I have this image. This one is overlay. So we see that the shadow areas detail. Soft light, well, a little bit. Overlay 50 is good. Now we got so much details on background. Then we have this colors. Wow, that's interesting. Okay, now this is luminosity. I like this kind of not much color in it. Nice tones. And only here have so much contrast, huh? Okay. Yeah, I want to combine these images now. Let's see. This one's got some interesting illustration image. These dark lines. Okay. I want to keep these too. Then I want to get some details around here. Like this kind of image. Okay. Okay, I'm going to fix this. Now I have this group. I just want to keep this image, so let's see. I'm gonna duplicate this layer again, then flatten this image, then turn it off, this group, just for keep it. I'm gonna work on these 3 layers. Now one is this normal image. We see the details on shadow side. Now turn it off. Then I want to use this sort of well monotone around here. Not much color in it, but only the color here, magenta I wish, and also here orange light. Vivid 50. Okay. Now I wanna just for keep now. Select this and make another group. Gotta use it as a group, huh? Okay, then let's do that. Just keep for one same image. So I'm gonna bring this one up. use this group image and also add this. Okay, in that case, I'm gonna make mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna review this. Airbrushing to soft brush. Yeah, real soft. Well, this much is fine. We see some image here, and yeah, there's a one image. I like this. Okay, let's fix it. Yeah, that's for one image I want to save. Okay, let's see. Okay, I got this image now. I just saved as it is. Now let's see. I saved already, so I'm gonna delete these layers I don't use. Now I have 4 images to get this image, right? I just want to see this black dot and stuff, which is come from this pencil drawing type image, I think. So I just want to smudge. Let me see. Got it. Well, is that it? Well, I want to clean up around here too. Some, not everything. Yeah, that's about it. Not much. Well, some kind of illustration image. I'm gonna take these 2 out from this group. So take this, delete. Now we got the 4 images to get 1 image. Well, I guess that's it. Well, that's kind of complicated, but I got this image finally. It's a result for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and I hope this movie is gonna help you something, making creative image for you guys, and well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.